Hi, I'm Thomas from Craftworks, and in this short video I'll show you how easy it is to label data in Navio Vision. We will look at three things. First, why labeling matters, especially for images where your model is uncertain. Second, how to sort and identify those low confidence images. And third, how fast and simple it is to label them right here in Navio Vision. Let's look at the bent pin demo use case. The task here is to detect whether one of these connector pins is a bent one. A small but important detail, and sometimes that's tricky to spot even for humans. Navio Vision can help you with that and predict possible anomalies. Using a live data connection, new images are continuously injected into Navio Vision. We have a separate video on that topic if you're interested. These images might come from new fixtures or changed lighting conditions or angles your model hasn't seen before. So to make sure the model keeps performing well as new types of images arrive, you can label them right here in Navio Vision. These labels can then be used to retrain the model with a new dataset, making it more robust and accurate over time. To start labeling, we can just use this button here and jump to the labeling view of our dataset. Here we can see the image, the current model prediction, and the confidence score that the model computed for its prediction. To help you decide which images to label, you can sort the image by confidence score. That way you can focus on the predictions your model is least sure about, which are often the most useful to have human input on. Labeling itself is easy. Just click on an image, check the connector pins. For me, this looks normal, and select the label you want to assign. I will select normal. You can submit your input with this button right here. Your input is saved and ready to be included in the next training. Retraining the model with the new label data is not part of this demo. We will cover that in a separate video coming soon. But labeling is the first step, and it's a crucial one. Labeling in Navio Vision is fast, focused, and designed to make your models better with every click. So thanks for watching and happy labeling.